it's Jennifer, and I have my Advent for December the 10th. So let's get started. I'm going into my Southern Skeins and pulling out December the 10th. Ooh, that's really in there. That was in there good. Alright, let's roll this back up. And you know, when I put my tie on it, I won't be any more batch filming today. So let's tie this up with a bow. And set it to the side. Alright, and now I need to find the 10th on the sewing one. It's right in front of me. And in here is metal bobbins. So these will be helpful for the sewing machine. I'll get those out. Alright. These are real helpful for the sewing machine. Metal bobbins. There's 3 of them there. So they always come in handy. And let's take a look at Southern Skeins and see the color for today. They've been really pretty. I'm really enjoying the calendar this year. Oh, this is beautiful. That is a tonal green. I love it. So this was today's, and we'll put it along with yesterday's and day before and the day before. Don't they look beautiful? I am really, oh my gosh, I think that's my favorite so far. I love that. That's gorgeous. And let's find the 10th on the Woobles. Alright, we've got some black. Oh, I've not seen that in black yet. Oh my goodness, this is adorable. It is a lump of coal. That's cute. Oh my gosh, we could even put a string through it and hang it on the tree. So there's a lump of coal. And yesterday we got, if I can pick up the card, we got a gingerbread house. We got the ornament, which is super, I love the ornament. I think that's one of my faves. And then we got the little present. And of course, these are all tiny enough that you can hang them on your tree. So I love those. So I got to go download all those patterns. That is super cute. Love, love, love those. I really do. I'm loving that Woobles calendar. Advent. It's adorable. So, in the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.